सो अमेरिका ने जो पूरा हेल्थ केयर का सिस्टम है उसको एक वेपन की फॉर्म में यूज़ करता है, अपने फूड को, अपनी ड्रग्स के सिस्टम को, वेयर दे गिव यू फूड basically that is not good for your health and it gives you diseases. Once you get the diseases, they are the only ones who know how to handle those diseases caused by their foods. Then once you get those diseases, they are the only ones who do the research. Then they are the ones who produce the drugs for that disease. Now from those drugs you get the diseases which are basically controlled by them, right? And those new diseases also can be researched upon by them only, because they are the only ones who know what chemicals cause these issues, these diseases, and they are the only ones to give you counter drugs for those as well, and so, right? So America has, so they give you foods which give you diseases, right? So the first thing that they give you is their foods. I personally feel that America has weaponized the foods, weaponized the diseases, and weaponized these drugs, these medicines that they give. They use it to invade a country. They don't need an army. They don't use an army. They don't want to convert you to another religion. They don't have any other agenda. Their whole agenda is to basically make sure you become their economic slaves. And for that, they use foods and diseases and drugs as weapons. The first invasion occurs when your country starts to use Pepsi and Coke. Pepsi and Coke are the first weapon they use, and they invade using these ghatia drinks, these worst, very unhealthy drinks, which give you, they penetrate deep into your country and give you diseases, start to give you diseases that your whole country had never witnessed. Right? This is how this country works. That's the truth. Right? They have weaponized. Pepsi and Coke are the first. Then their oils, their salt, their sugars, all their candies, everything. They are, if you notice, they are in the smallest villages of India and Pakistan and Bangladesh. In every country, they are even in the smallest villages. Pepsi, Cokes, their candies, their sugars, all these things are present everywhere. Right? Please remember, in my mind, the invasion has already started. The battle has already started, and they are winning the battle. They have already penetrated deep into your society with their duplicate, false, unhealthy foods and drinks. Thank you, guys.